Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back and watching my daily vlogs. It makes my day. I hope it does the same for you guys as well. So today I woke up super late. It's around 10:30 already, to be honest. And if you watched my yesterday's vlog, you guys know that I went to Chautari with my family for my husband's birthday and Mother's Day. Definitely watch that vlog. That day was hilarious, to be honest. I will leave the link in the description bar below for you all. We went to Chautari and we ate lots of yummy food, and I had lots of leftover as well, cause you guys know me, I like to order too much and then later I can't finish the food. So yeah, I ordered Jhol momo and I ate little bit and I got full. अनि त्यही भएर मैले चाहिँ त्यो प्याक गरेर घरमा नै लिएर आएको छु, cause I don't like to throw food. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna eat for Becky and then start my day. This is the Jhol momo. I'm gonna do a quick mukbang for you guys. You guys seem to love my mukbang videos. I'm just gonna eat, to be honest. I'm not gonna talk a lot because I'm super hungry. That's a big bite, guys. These dumplings are huge, guys. I'm so full already. Last one. So all the dumplings are gone, guys, and I'm super full right now. Thank you so much for watching this mukbang, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you in a bit. So guys, today I am feeling super lazy. I don't know why. You know, you always have those kind of days when you are like, I'm too tired to do anything. Yeah, so it's gonna be a lazy vlog, to be honest. You know, not every day is a interesting fun day. In real life you have these kinds of days as well. Yeah, basically I just ate my food and I've got hair mask on. I haven't done my makeup, so I'm really bored. It's so cold. I've got my heater on. I'm watching some Nepalese music. And yeah guys, I'm feeling really happy that I'm home, cause home is where your heart belongs. किनभने जतासुकै गए पनि लास्टमा चाहिँ घर आयो भने चाहिँ एकदमै अर्कै खालको मज्जाको फिलिङ आउँछ मलाई चाहिँ. होटलमा गएर बस्न नि मलाई एकदमै मजा लाग्छ. I don't know why. हलिडेमा जाँदाखेरि चाहिँ मलाई घुम्न त त्यसै मजा आउँछ तर त्यो होटल लाइफ पनि एकदमै रमाइलो लाग्छ मलाई हैन. खास केही गर्नु पर्दैन. You don't have to clean the hotel. Oh, it's getting messy. I need to clean this. त्यस्तो भन्ने केही हुँदैन. त्यही भएर मलाई होटल लाइफ चाहिँ किन एकदम चिल टाइपको हुन्छ. धेरै वरी गर्नु पर्दैन. So yes guys, I'm back home. Even घरमा पनि मलाई एकदमै मजा लाग्छ. म चाहिँ let's say अब नेपाल गएको छु भने म 1-2 महिना बडी ओभरै बसे भने पनि मलाई मेरो घरको याद आउँछ, किनभने you are so used to the way you live, you know. So yeah, that's why I love my house as well. किनभने घरमा पनि मैले सबै कुराहरु लाइक हाम्रो तरिकाले अरेन्ज गरेर राखेको छु. Like, you know, it's so much easier. Yeah guys, that's about it. I'm not gonna take a shower for a while. I've already washed my face and brushed my teeth, but I'm too lazy to go up and take a shower. I haven't even heated my water. So guys, त्यही हो, म चाहिँ यतिकै lounge around गर्दै बस्छु for a while and then I will get ready, cause I don't feel like doing anything, to be honest. I might remove my nail polish. मैले चाहिँ फाउन्डल्यान्डबाट यो nail polish remover किनेको थिएँ. Looks very promising. It's called Cover Shoot Cosmetic Nail Polish Remover 2-spot with acetone, and it is kind of messy already किनभने मैले चाहिँ मेरो मेकअप ब्याग सँगै राखेको थिएँ. यो फाउन्डेसन हल्का पोखिएको छ. Anyways, let's go ahead and give it a try. So यो nail remover pot guys, मैले यसको उस चाहिँ already open गरिसकेको छु. Let's go ahead and dip the finger and give it a twist. Whoa, that's so nice. Highly recommend this guys. Oh, look at that. यो 1 pound shop मा यस्तो सस्तामा पाउँछ हैन. So त्यहीबाट किन्नुस्. It is really awesome product. Look at that. I just removed the nail polish in front of your eyes and it didn't even took a lot of time. So let's go ahead and do this hand as well. Nail polish पनि मैले remove गरेर भ्याइसके. So yeah, highly recommend you this product guys. Got this one from Poundland and it's worth buying. So as you guys all know, मैले चाहिँ मेरो लन्ड्रीहरु चाहिँ एकैचोटी थुपारेर धुन्छु. हलिडेबाट आएपछि मेरो टन्नै लुगाहरु थियो, त्यही भएर मैले चाहिँ मेरो बेडशीट अनि लुगाहरु चाहिँ सँगै धुनमा हालेको छु. अनि मैले मेरो बुढालाई लन्च पनि बनाउँदै छु. For his lunch today I am making pork curry with some frozen broccolis. अनि हिजोको leftover veg biryani छ. So guys, my curry is ready and it looks so delicious. As you guys can see, my mouth is already watering, but no, I'm not gonna eat this. I might eat this tonight, but I already ate my Jhol MoMo, so I will eat something in a bit. I hope my husband will enjoy this. So guys, मेरो हल्का हल्का जाँगर जो चल्दै छ, त्यही भएर मैले मेरो फेस मास्क पनि लगाएको छु. यो फेस मास्क लगाएको छु जुन चाहिँ मलाई मेरो सिब्लिङ्सहरुले सिंगापुरबाट ल्याइदिएको थियो. highly recommend this one. I really love it. Okay guys, so I just took my shower and I feel so much better now. That hot water was so good. It made me feel so much better and I'm loving it. And for my lunch I ate some egg tortilla wrap and it was really yummy. I also did my cardio workout and I'm feeling so much better now. And I think I was feeling really sad and down today because of my holiday sadness. I believe I don't have anything going wrong, to be honest. I'm just telling you the truth guys. Ani ma tapaharलाई ke bhanna chahanchu bhane every day is not like, you know, roses and cupcakes and sunshine. Sometimes you will have low kinds of days and you don't want to do much. So I'm just being honest with you guys and vlogging what I am feeling today. So I hope you guys will appreciate that and will give me a thumbs up for being honest. And please make sure to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more. See you soon. I will end today's vlog. Bye. By the way guys, it's almost 4 p.m. and I forgot to wear my watch, and I know it's a shame but it's never too late. I'm gonna go ahead and wear this for the rest of the day.